In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily change your page size here in Canva and completely for free. So usually when you want to do this, you have to use Canva Pro, and we actually use Magic Switch up here. This makes it incredibly easy to quickly change the dimensions of our projects. But let's say you haven't got Canva Pro and you want to do this for free. Now this right here is a little planner and it's 8.5 times 11. But let's say that I wanted to change this to a 6 by 9. Now the only way to do this is to copy and paste. Now the great thing about Canva is that you can actually copy and paste into different tabs on your device. So again, this is 8.5 times 11. But right here, I've got the dimensions 6 by 9. So to change this 8.5 times 11 to the 6.9, all we're going to do is drag over all elements and everything on this page. We're then going to do Command C to copy this. Then we're going to come over to our new dimensions and then just click Command V, which is going to paste this straight in just like that. Now we can see that it isn't perfect. So what we have to do is just play around with this to make it looking better. So if we actually move this down to the center, we could then drag over this top part like so and move this up. We then can do the next part. We can drag over the top, move this up like so, and then if we drag on these elements, we could just make these a little bit bigger to fit on the page. So now if we pull that bit down as well to on the corner, let's move that down a little bit and this one as well, and then we can do the next part. But you can see that Canva makes it super easy. Now that isn't actually lined up, so let's just move that up. There we go. Canva makes this super easy to do because again, we can actually copy and paste into a completely different tab here on Canva. Now let's take this bit, let's move that down as well. Let's move this one down. Let's in fact take this little graphic and move that onto the corner, and then we can take this one as well, make sure that we've got it all selected, and then we can move this one down to round about there, and then we can do this side, move that down, we can move this as well, and move all of these others, just like so. Now you can also see that the background color, it didn't actually copy and paste this. So what we can actually do is just go back over to our original design once we've done this little bit just here, like so. And let's just move these down as well, like that. Let's move this bit to there and this bit to there. So what we can actually do is come back over to our original design. We're going to click on that background. We're then going to copy that, come over to our new design and paste that color on as well. So as you can see, it can be a little bit time consuming compared to using Magic Switch, which is the Canva Pro feature. But again, if you only have the free version of Canva, then this is the only way to do it. But as we can see, copy and pasting works perfectly fine. So that's how you can easily change the page sizes, the dimensions of your projects here in Canva and completely for free. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.